Sweet tea daily, spreading the light.
Hello, Shoebox friends. Today I'm excited to share our June viewer collaboration, Run Your Race with Joy, inspired by the beauty of horses and the encouragement we find in God's Word to keep moving forward with faith, perseverance, and joy. Thank you to everyone who participated. As always, I'm amazed by the creativity and care you put into your Shoebox gifts. I know these gifts will bring smiles to children around the world and remind them that they are loved. Now let's take a look at the beautiful shoeboxes our community created. Hi friends! Before we jump into today's shoebox, I just wanted to say a very heartfelt thank you to everyone who participated in this month's viewer collaboration. I always look forward to seeing your creativity and thoughtfulness and the love that you pour into your shoeboxes. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nicole, and on this channel we share Operation Christmas Child shoebox ideas, shopping hauls, filler projects, printables, and lots of encouragement to help make our shoeboxes fun, full, and personalized for the children who will receive them. If you enjoy OCC content and you would like more shoebox inspiration throughout the year, I'd love for you to subscribe and join our shoebox community. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and helps other OCC packers find these ideas as well. And be sure to stay until the end of today's video because I'll be announcing our brand new July viewer collaboration theme, and I can't wait to share it with you. Okay, so let's take a look at the shoebox I packed for this month's collaboration. This gift is for a girl who's 5 to 9, and I have secured it with 2 107 rubber bands. And on the front, I've placed the label towards the end of the shoebox because they will be taping the middle of the shoebox at the processing center. So they like for you to put the labels towards the end. I'll go ahead and open this up so that you can see what I packed. Okay, when she opens her shoebox, this is what she'll see. And I will take out these papers so that you can see the lid design. The lid design says, "Let us run with endurance the race that is set before us, looking to Jesus, the founder and perfecter of our faith," from Hebrews 12, 1 through 2. If you like this lid design, you can access it by going to sweetteadaily.com. On the very top, she has this horse that comes with a little Chelsea doll. This Chelsea doll is so sweet, and she comes with her own little riding helmet. I just love her multicolored dress and her cute little pink shoes. Another doll that she'll be receiving is from the Spirit line. And Spirit is a horse cartoon. My daughter used to watch this show all the time, and she absolutely loved it, and it was so sweet. And I've sent these dolls before in shoe boxes. She is really good quality, and her hair is so pretty. She comes with a little purse. And she also comes with a little brush for the horse and with a pretty dress. And I like to put my dolls in these organza bags to protect their hair and to keep any of the little items together. This is her plush horse. It is a Clydesdale, and it's an Aurora brand. It's very, very soft. And one thing that I love about this is it has beans in the feet and also right here. So it has a really nice weight to him. It's the Aurora brand. Another toy she'll be receiving is this Playmobil set. And if you have seen Alicia's shoebox from Lissy Doll 94, you will have seen this. And what the funny thing is that I think I commented on that video that I really liked this toy. And when I went to pack my shoebox, I found the same toy in my stash. So it comes with a little doll and some accessories here. A little trophy. Comes with a horse. And this is also from the Spirit doll line. I love Playmobil characters, and I love to include them because they fit really well inside of a shoebox, and they're such good quality. They last for a very long time. She will be receiving a pair of underwear that I like to put in these satin bags, and I do pink for the girls and blue for the boys. And this is not necessary. This is just something that I like to do. She will be getting a very soft velvety scrunchie. A toothbrush. A t-shirt. Oops. Hopefully you can see it. It says Western Rodeo on it. I think I got this from Children's Place. And it is a long sleeve t-shirt, which I don't usually send long sleeve t-shirts, but I like the design on it so much. And some areas will be a little on the chilly side, especially in the winter. Some of my shoe boxes go to places in Africa, and some of them have gone to Ukraine. So we just never know where our shoebox is going to end up. So sometimes I do include gloves or hats or long sleeved shirts, and I just pray. I pray over the box that it will be perfect for the child that it's going to. She'll be getting a box of crayons. And she will be getting a pair of shoes. And these shoes measure, or the size on them is size 2-3. So I showed you in my last video this children's shoe size guide. This really helped me this week packing these shoes. I was able to go right away to my shoe bin and take this out and look to see girl 5 to 9, big kid youth, 1 youth to 3 youth. That is the appropriate size shoe for this gender and age. And so that made it really easy for me. I didn't have to get on Google or anything. So yeah, I think I'm going to like using that. And that is also available on the website if you think it would be useful for you as well. She will be getting a lip balm. This one is peach. She will be getting a brush compact combo. She'll be getting a horse necklace. It really sparkles. It has multiple colors on there. Thought that was really pretty. She will be getting a nail file and nail clippers. And I have a couple loose items, just some hair ties. And my daughter, she uses things like this as bracelets. The girls like to either use it for ponytails, and when they're not in their hair, they wear them around their wrists. So if she doesn't have long hair, maybe she can stretch it out and wear it around her wrist as well. She does have 2 bracelets. This bracelet is from John 14:6. It has a cross on it. And it says, "I am the way, the truth, and the life." I got that from Amazon. And this is a multicolored bracelet with some stars on it. She will be getting a pencil pack, and I made these in another video, so I won't be going through all the contents of this. I'm also going to be including a little pencil pack bag. And inside she's got scissors, a glue stick. This is a horse pencil. She will be getting a multicolored gel pen. And then 3 more click pens, a red, a black, and a blue. And then she will be getting a horse eraser and some horse stickers. Let's see if I can get this out. My daughter used to collect horse stickers. I think this is from her stash. She will be getting a purple drawstring bag. And I thought this matched her lid design, the purple on her lid design. And I like to include these bags because they can use them for school or to take their items home in if they don't fit all back in the box. Sometimes that can be a bit tricky to rearrange them the same way that they came. At least it has been for me working at the processing center. That can take a while. She will be getting a notepad and a ruler for school. And then she will be receiving this horses book. And the one thing I like about this are the pictures are really, really pretty. Aren't those horses beautiful? They are such gorgeous animals. So anyway, hopefully she will enjoy that. She will be getting my horse coloring book. And I made this and I have uploaded it to the website. And I made this because I had trouble finding just a horse coloring book that wasn't an advanced coloring book or, wasn't $13 or something like that. So I went ahead and made my own coloring book. And I'm sorry I didn't get this uploaded sooner. Maybe if you want to include it in the box that you've already packed, maybe you can just slip it in. But these are some very simple pictures of horses in all different settings. I really like to make items for my shoebox and shoeboxes, and I also enjoy uploading them to the website. I love to share. And another place that is a really good place to get this kind of thing, lid designs and coloring pages, is the Facebook group OCC Shoebox Packers. And Tiffany from Blessed and OCC Obsessed, she was the founder of this Facebook group. And y'all, it is such an encouraging place to be. And if you are not a member of this Facebook group, I would encourage you to check it out. There are so many lid designs and printables and coloring sheets and games. And anyway, it's probably my favorite OCC Facebook group. I'm not a member of very many of them, but it's a really positive one. So I highly recommend it. This page might be my favorite because of the kitten in the background. Reminds me a little bit of our kitten. And she will be getting a folder with some paper in it. And this is a name page. It says, Jesus loves you. And there is a place here for her name. And this is also available on the website. And again, I'm sorry I didn't have this available sooner. It's just some notebook paper. And then we have our photo and our letter for the child. We have some scrapbook paper for her. And I'm also including a picture of my daughter who, if you saw the beginning of the video, that was her riding a horse. And she takes lessons and she has been competing for the last couple years. She's still in the beginner classes, but she really enjoys it and loves everything related, horse related. Even she loves to go to the rodeo. She loves to go to equestrian events. It's been a really fun thing for her. So, okay, friends. So up next, I'm going to be introducing our new viewer collaboration theme for July. I'll be right back. I'm so excited to announce our next Operation Christmas Child viewer collaboration theme, Shine for Jesus. God is continually working in our lives, refining us to become who He created us to be. In many ways, we're like diamonds in the rough, still being polished and transformed by His love. Children are naturally drawn to things that shine and catch their eye. Think colorful accessories, shiny pencils, metallic books, reflective balls, and anything that adds a little extra pizzazz to a shoebox. Let's fill our shoeboxes with sparkle, encouragement, and prayer so that children everywhere can be reminded that they are precious in God's sight. As always, choose any age and gender you'd like to pack for, and send your photos to sweetteadaily.occ@gmail.com by the 20th of the month. We'll feature everyone's beautiful creations in our collaboration reveal on the last Sunday of the month, which is July 26th. Well, dear friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.